Jan, how did you go? You've created this in 2 days, and actually you've got a rose petal farm, right? And you're really busy, and you've been wanting to come and paint for a while. How did it go?
Fantastic. It's probably the first painting I've finished, and that was one of the goals. And yeah, excellent, because I learnt so much, particularly about the use of brushes and how the different parts of the brush. I've had a few lessons before and never learned so much in such a short time. So, fantastic.
Thank you. And what do you think the difference was between the way I taught and what you've had in the past? Because you were giving me a few tips about that earlier.
Actually, you actually teach how to paint, whereas a lot of people demonstrate and they're not able to communicate how they paint. Probably because they can paint so well, and it is hard to teach a beginner because you expect beginners to be able to do paint. But I found your method was fantastic because you went through the stages. You actually demonstrated what the different tools are, and that's something that's very important because not everyone can paint, and the beginners who haven't painted here before have done some amazing paintings, and I've never seen that before, people able to finish with a fantastic painting.
Oh, thank you so much for that. That's so good. And well done you. You were largely hands-off from me, and just an awesome job. So, keep in touch and show me what you're doing. I'd love to see. Well done.
Definitely will, and I'm sure it will help the business that I'm in by I've learnt so much that I can take home and do with business.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jan. Where can people find you on the Rose Petal Farm? Because you do rose petal bombs and everything. Just give us a quick name of it.
It's simply Rose Petals, and we're based just out of Swan Hill.
Yeah.
And we do wedding petals for the wedding industry. We do cannons, and we also do edible flowers.
And freeze-dried?
Freeze-dried. They're all freeze-dried.
Amazing. Yeah, I've got to look into that. I'm interested. Thank you.
Thank you.